topic related to the reflection we have finished, and refraction is there for us. In refraction, we did one thing. We just started, but at that time, unfortunately, we stopped our classes. And ninth class, sorry, that means junior 10th class. The 10th class A section, I did not start anything, but uh, for you children, I started, I think, so B section and C section, I think. So in that refraction, we are going to discussing about the refraction. About the refraction, we'll see once. In refraction, uh, see, you know already what is mean that refraction. You just revise once about the refraction. Refraction keeps heading and write the refraction. What is refraction? The light ray passing from one optical medium to another optical medium, it changes its path. This is called refraction. So please write the statement again. You should maintain the books with the refraction side heading. When a light ray entering from one optical medium to from one optical medium to another optical medium, it changes path. Is called refraction. So this is the refraction topic. Already introduction also completed. Some of you completed, but some of you did not start. Then we'll discuss about the new topic, that is lenses. What about the lens? Keep side heading lens. Lens is a just listen, don't write anything. After that, I'll tell you when you have to write it. Lens is a transparent medium which is having already reflection is numbered, that transparent areas only will take it. The transparent are little bit translucent, not opaque materials. We won't consider the opaque materials. In lenses, lens is made up of transparent materials. So it can be, already we have in ninth class refraction through glass slab. Glass slab is a rectangular glass slab, is nothing but two sides it is having plain surface. Both sides it is having plain surface only. That glass slab, we can't consider as a lens. Either at least one side it should be spherical, or both the sides it should be spherical surface. Spherical means like bulge or halo or bulge. One side is plain or other side is bulge, or like this. We call these lenses. And you, this is just a glass slab. So this you cannot consider as a lens. Understand? So now write the statement for the lens. Lens is a transparent material. Lens is a transparent material. Lens is a transparent material which is bounded by both sides are spherical. Both sides are spherical. Or one side is plain, other side is spherical. That's enough for the lens. You should know about the lenses. These are the lenses. Glass slab won't consider as a lens. So this we can consider. One side is hollow, other side is plain. In case one side it should be curved surface. One side it should be spherical surface. Spherical lenses it can be hollow or it can be bulged. At least one side or both sides also it can be spherical. This is hollow, this is bulged, this is bulged. This is hollow, this is hollow. This is plain and this. this is visible, and this is uh, halo, and this is plane actually. These things we can call as uh, lenses. There is a names for the lenses. We'll see once. Types of lenses. So keep side heading. Types of lenses. Types of lenses. First one, biconvex lens. Better you draw the diagram. After that, you write this one. First one, it's a biconvex lens. Biconvex lens. You know, biconvex lens means this is convex surface and this is also convex surface, Balger surface, or else double convex lens also. Double convex lens. Biconvex lens or double convex lens. First one that is. Second one is one side is plane, other side is halo. Sorry, Balger. That is called actually plano convex lens. Plano convex lens it is. And this is halo, means concave, and this is convex. So concave, concavo, convex lens, concavo convex lens. This is related to the convex lenses. And the three more lenses are there. That is the fourth one, like first one. So both sides halo is nothing but bi biconcave lens. First one is biconcave lens, and you can guess. I think so. Next one. So first plane surface, concave surface. This plano concave lens, and next one is convex concave. So convexo concave lens. Both are similar only actually. You can see these two. It's a concave or convex, and this is convexo concave. But if you're turning this side, means both are similar or same it is. That means you need to know it depends upon the convex or concave lens or concave or convex lens means depends upon the arrow mark. Arrow mark in the sense light test. So we will discuss in the time of whenever the topics we are getting from these two. That time we'll see which is. So this actually totally we have 6 types of lenses in our 10th class, but we have number of lenses that will see later. So 10th class topics related 10th class topics only 6 lenses are there. These are the 6 lenses. You need to draw, need to get the diagrams, and with the lenses, name of the lens. And next one, so taking another one. So situations are there actually. When light ray passing through the lenses, what will happen? Situations. You keep side heading situation 1. In situations, that first situation means the light ray, how the light ray is passing through the lens, what is happening for the light ray, how it will go. For example, if you're taking one light lens, you're taking, that is nothing but if light ray, already I think I told you in 9th class technos, we have it is in IIT books. Once you can refer those books if you have any doubt about this. So it is having actually 2 surfaces, no? So means it is having 2 center of curvatures. This lens having 2 center of curvature. This is C1, this is C2, and it is having 2. Sorry, this is F1, no? This is F2, C1, and this is C2. 2 center of curvatures, 2 focal lengths are present for the convex lens or concave lens, whatever the lens it is. Now I am taking the convex lens. For example, if the light ray passing parallel to the principal axis for a convex lens, then refracted ray passes through focus. Already we completed this all in uh, reflection, but that is opaque material. Reflection are reflecting, they'll come back actually, but here they will be passed light rays pass through the lens. Why? Because the lens is a transparent medium. So transparent, because of this transparent medium, so which is having somewhat curved surface, no? So that's why it will change its path from its original path, and it goes like this. So now this is the incident ray. This is section. Listen carefully. This is incident ray, and this is refracted ray. So listen, and this is the principal axis. Line joining center of curvature is giving the two center of curvature. Line which is passing through the two centers of curvature is giving principal axis. Next one. This is incident ray. This is refracted ray. Light ray passing. You need to write the statement also for this one. If incident ray parallel to the principal axis, then refracted ray passing through focus. This incident ray parallel to the principal axis and refracted ray passing through focus is for concave mirror. Sorry, so please stop it. Something else. 30 things so it is. Who's the name not there? Stop sharing the screen first. Listen the class. This is for convex, double convex lens. What about the double concave lens? So please draw the lens first. And this is C1, F1, F2, C2. If incident ray is very, very important. If incident ray parallel to the principal axis, for this one, you need to just have your drawing, no? While doing practicing, you need to do one thing that we have to use the scale. So means the refracted ray appears to focus, declines this too once you check it. But when you're extending this refracted ray, this passes through focus. Appears passes through focus on this one it is. So both are same. So then refracted ray appears, here you should use for this one just appears in bracket for this one. Appears passing through focus. It's for concave lens. This is directly convex lens. And the second one, this ray diagrams are very, very important, Amma. So principal axis, lens. This actually point we call optic center. No need to keep anything. So this is F2, C2, F1, C1. Now, if any light ray, for this one opposite edge, if light ray passing through focus, then refracted ray parallel to principal axis. These two are in reverse. Light ray passing through parallel to the principal axis and refracted ray passes through focus. If incident ray passing through focus, then refracted ray parallel to the principal axis. See once incident ray passing parallel to the principal axis, refracted ray parallel to the principal axis. The next one, second one, and this is for convex, no? We'll see for concavities. You need to write the statement here. I'll tell you. Write. Did you draw this diagram, please? 1 minute time I'm giving for you to draw this diagram, please. 1 second. Not 1 minute, 30 seconds and everything. So roughly draw the diagram. Our time is finishing. So please as well as possible complete it. Already if you draw, it's okay, no problem. So many of you, I'm seeing your faces, but you're not drawing properly. Where are you? Okay, so now write the statement for this one. If any incident ray, if incident ray, if incident ray passing through focus, if incident ray passing through focus, then a refracted ray, incident passing through focus, then refracted ray parallel to the principal axis. It's a refracted ray parallel to the principal axis. If incident refracted ray parallel to principal axis. For concave, for convex lens, the next one for concave, draw the concave lens. So two sides it is having halo surface, and this is principal F1, F2, C1, and C2. For this one, incident ray passing through directly, incident ray passing through focus. For this one, that incident ray, because I'm telling you to use scale, passing through focus, appears passing through focus, then refracted ray parallel to principal axis. Please check it. Incident ray appears passing through focus, then refracted ray parallel to the principal axis. Incident ray appears passing through focus, then refracted ray parallel to the principal axis. This is for concave lens or double concave lens or biconcave lens. Anything you can use, no problem. Concave lens is dimension means that is biconcave lens only. Next one is already everyone knows about this. Easy. If you don't also you can get easily. That is if any light ray, so okay, listen first. Just this is a concave lens, sorry, convex lens. F2, F1, C1. If any light ray passing through optic center, this is optic center, does not deviate. First you draw the diagrams for concave lens and for concave convex lens. This diagram fast. Alekya completed. Complete fast. Where are you seeing? Now write the statement for this diagram. There is a curvature, children. It's not like a straight line. If incident ray passing through optic center, then refracted ray undeviate. Then refracted ray undeviate. Incident ray passing through focus, passing through optic center, so it won't deviate. It will be go like straight only. It is see. So this is important, and we need to draw the ray diagrams. Actually, that's you do practice. You should do practice those diagrams. I'll tell. And one more thing, children, that already you may have IIT books. I think so with you. Physics IIT in refraction. That means that is synopsis. So either one of, I think, 4, 5, 6, 7 synopses are there. In that 4, 5, 6, 7 synopsis in refraction in your IIT books. Understand? Either foundation, not foundation, no. Oh, sorry, foundation only, no. Olympic not there, no. Okay. So once you open your foundation books and check in your books that the diagrams, everything is there in that. So you do practice, or if you're not, if these diagrams are not visible, or if you have any doubt, you can get a clarity. But after finishing this class, everyone, you need to give me these diagrams once again. You have to draw these diagrams properly with proper statements, and keep the uh, whatever the work I allot for you, that you have to post, groups it is. In groups, you need to post only related to the subject, related to the studies only. Don't post anything like hi, bye, hi, how are you, something, something. Some of you are posting like that. Better stop that thing. It is why, because we teachers have a lots of groups related to our school. So number of messages are getting by you people. So please better stop that thing. Whatever you want, that you have to ask questions for teachers, or if you done the work, you have to post that homework into the groups. That's it. That is your work actually. If you want to ask anything so related to the whatever you want, means you can use the personal WhatsApp numbers also there. If you have any shy feeling or something to ask in group, individual also you can ask questions. So that also will give answers for you. So please. And next one, actually here we have uh, already we have finished that 6 cases for concave mirror and 2 cases for the convex mirror in reflection. So please once again revise. You need to revise that reflection also. I thought some of the children I gave work for you related to the uh, question papers. Some of you taken the question paper from the 10th class, means your seniors, you gather some question papers, I think so. I told you to do practice the diagrams. Practice diagrams are problems, especially for B section and C section I gave. And for A section also, for some of the children I gave work. Which one? That is material, fast track material I gave for for A section especially. In that fast track material also we have some questions. Um, Questions are related to the textbook questions or textbook topics. If you don't have textbook also, you can maintain the material. That is very useful for you. So you go through that way to get a clarity, and whatever the topics we discuss, everything it will be there in the book. So please, you need to check once again. Do practice till getting, you need to practice. After you got phone, then only you have to write the questions. That you need to practice, and after that you have to post these answers for those questions into the group. That is your homework. There is no separate um, worksheets or nothing. It is just simply only for you. Why? Because this everything you need to practice. It is we whatever the two topics are that we explain, and you have reference books. The IID books are the reference books for you. That reference book you should use. It is. Understand? So next one, just actually for concave cases, convex lens, we have 6 cases now. See one.
Sir, I think time up.
Time up, sir.
Yeah. How much time you want more?
Actually, I need more time, sir. 1 hour is more.
If you
Okay,
want,
sir.
again, after the 5 minutes, we will conduct again. We will give the break.
No. Sir.
if you want to continue the class, give a 2 minutes or 3 minutes break. Again, we should continue because it's a Zoom app.
Okay.
It can't continuation for the above 35
Sir,
minutes.
my phone also getting heat, sir, actually.
Sorry,
Okay, sir. We'll see next class, sir. Then
then
I'll send
better.
some worksheets.
Yeah, yeah,
I'll draw the diagrams and I'll send for them. Okay.
that's better. That's better.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Shall
sir.
shall we end the session?
Yes, sir. Okay. You can.
Yeah, children. Once again, I'm remembering to you. Don't chat unnecessary things in the group like hi, bye, good morning, good night, and so anything. Please, if we found anything like that, simply without intimation, we will remove from you from that group. Is it clear? Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your class, children. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye, bye.